How to use ultra wide camera mode on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll guide you on how you can use an ultra wide camera on Instagram for both Android or iOS. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide you through. Simply go ahead and open up your Instagram and then open up your camera, right? You can tap on the plus icon whether you want to update it on camera or you want to update it post, or whether you want to upload it to your story. Head into the particular option, then tap on the camera icon there. Once you tap on camera icon here, you'll find the option here. You can simply zoom out or zoom in to use the particular mode. Now, if you do not find the option here on Instagram directly, you can also use camera mode directly, and on the photo you can choose 0.5. Then you can go ahead and take the picture or the video that you wish to in the ultra wide mode, and then go ahead and upload it to Instagram also. This is how you can use ultra wide camera on Instagram. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comment down below if you have any further issues.